Alright, it's now time for some surgery. I've got my tools all ready to go. Okay, let's get this party started. I'm going to leave the cover slightly back a bit, trying to keep debris out. I've cut a little bit of cardboard here to keep it from floating around on the inside. Okay, so first off, I am going to punch a little starting point here for my drill. And let's get the drill going. Well, there we go. That was trick cutting. Look at that, that's thick. That'll stop a bullet. It took me a while to cut that out. So now I'll just buff these edges here. And all the hard stuff is done. Here's my meter. See how close I got on my measurements. Oh, that's pretty close. A little extra. Well, I'm impressed. That's gonna look good. Okay, so before I put the panel in for the final time, I want to touch up the areas where there's a little bit of paint that's been scraped off from my cutout. Not much, just a little bit that's going to show up. So what I have here is some flat black paint picked up at a hobby shop. Probably I could have used a different color, possibly a battleship gray, but I didn't have that, and I have this, and it's not going to be that critical. As long as I don't have shiny metal showing, that's the main thing. So let us begin. Okay, so I've got the front panel here. I added on about a foot worth of wires so I can get to the back of the unit so I can sample my voltage. So let's just feed the wires through. Of course, you have to make sure you have the display mounted the right way up, otherwise you'll be doing this again. Okay, so I have the wires here. Just gonna tack them on here and there. Get a little solder on there. Okay, there we have it. Meters in the front, wires hooked up. There you go. There's a shot of the back side of the front panel. There is our display unit. Fits in there nice and snug. Looks good, I like it. Okay, next up on the list is hooking up the voltage control. So looking at our PCB here, R5, which is a 1K, which is right there. Those are our 3 LANs. And the control is underneath the board. So I'm going to desolder that, hook up 3 wires, run them up to the front, and there's my voltage control. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I've got my little cable assembly here set up. Here's my 1K pot. Got it wired there, and here's my receiving end. I've got the stock or the original potentiometer already removed. This is where it goes. So, just going to plug these wires in and solder them up. Okay, so I got a couple knobs here. I had the black one originally, but when I ordered my pots, I got a blue. Blue. I think I'll go with the black. Alright, so soldered in place there. Okay, here we are, ready for the moment of truth. Got it all wired up. Let's flip the switch for the first time and see what happens. Great, no sparks, no smoke. Set the pot halfway. That's looking pretty good. I wired up my pot. I'd like to be able to crank clockwise and have it go up, but in this case here it's going just the opposite, so I'd have to reverse my two end leads. Minor glitch. I'll set her here for 14. Well, there we have it. Project complete. Thanks for watching. See ya.